What's up guys, Ammar here. Finally Nikon confirmed they are working on a fully framed mirrorless camera and it is coming very soon. Guys, if you are new to this channel, in this channel I have unboxing and reviews for the latest technology gears and gadgets, photography, videography tips, camera reviews and gaming. So consider to subscribe if you are not already. Back to this huge announcement from Nikon. I was waiting this since long time because I'm a Nikon shooter, and now I'm using my Nikon D750. It's amazing DSLR from Nikon, but I'm really missing some cool features from mirrorless cameras. So I'm excited about this announcement from Nikon. We know nowadays Sony dominating the mirrorless cameras, and they are #1 mirrorless camera company, and finally Nikon will step in and start competing with Sony. With this announcement, Nikon, they just confirmed there is new mirrorless camera, fully framed mirrorless camera coming, and we will see it very soon. But they did not announce the specifications. Still, the specifications not clear for the new fully framed mirrorless camera from Nikon. There is a lot of expectations. I will talk about my expectations as well in this video. And they announced also this mirrorless camera will come with a new lens mount. This is my Nikon D750 and it comes with the F mount. Nikon now with the new mirrorless cameras will introduce new mount, so they will introduce new lenses. And also they announced they are working on adapter. So if you are using Nikon F mount lenses, you will be able to use these lenses with the new Nikon fully framed mirrorless camera using the new adapter. This is really amazing. Some people, they don't like using adapters, and they always say by using adapters you are not using the native mount lenses and you will start losing some features like the eye autofocus, and also sometimes the autofocus will not work in some lighting situations. This is true, but this is true because they are using Nikon and Canon lenses on Sony bodies using adapters developed by third parties like Sigma, Metabons, and these things. But in this case, Nikon, the company, they made the F-mount lenses, and now they are introducing Nikon fully framed mirrorless camera with a new mount, and they are making the adapter. So I'm expecting more compatibility between the Nikon lenses and the Nikon bodies using the Nikon adapters. Now for the specifications, guys, as I said, there is no specifications confirmed yet, but I'm expecting some specifications, and I will be realistic in my expectations. I will not say they will come and give us new fully framed mirrorless camera with 46 megapixels resolution or focus system that can beat the Nikon D5 focus system. No, I'm expecting they will come and give us fully framed mirrorless camera, enthusiast level, entry level fully framed camera. I'm expecting 24 megapixels resolution and a decent focus system that we can rely on for photography. For video, I'm coming to it. For sure there will be electronic viewfinder. This is mirrorless camera. I hope they will be able to give us excellent electronic viewfinder, something close to what Sony offering nowadays. And for their camera, I hope they will introduce dual memory cards. I don't want to see a fully framed body without dual memory cards. We use fully framed cameras to shoot events, to shoot weddings. So we need dual memory cards for backup, for safety. and I hope they will be able to ship the adapter from day one. So to have the fully frame mirrorless camera with the adapter available from day one, so we can use our F-mount lenses with the new camera as soon as possible. For video, for sure they will ship 4K. They will not be able to just offer full HD and expect the industry to be happy with this. Now 4K is the new standard in video, and for sure the camera will be able to shoot 4K videos. I'm expecting 30 frames per second, no more. And for the video, I hope they will be able to figure out or to come up with solution for continuous autofocus while shooting video. We know that Canon dual pixel autofocus, it's amazing. The Sony autofocus for video, really amazing. We like it, we love it, we are using it. And when it comes to Nikon, we really don't rely on Nikon cameras for video, but now they have mirrorless cameras, right? So we are expecting them to use the new technology and to come up with a solution for their, let's say, not usable continuous autofocus system for video. So these my expectations, guys. I'm expecting entry-level full frame camera for enthusiasts and also professionals. They can use it for events and for portraits, for landscape. I'm not expecting them now to release camera to compete with the Sony A9. Still, they are starting their journey with the mirrorless world. And also, I'm not expecting them to release fully frame mirrorless camera with huge megapixels or big number of megapixels like the Sony A7R Mark III. So for me, guys, if they will be able to give us fully frame mirrorless camera, like, let's say, in terms of specifications, like my Nikon D750, this will be amazing. I'm expecting my Nikon D750, or I'm hoping to have something like my Nikon D750, smaller, mirrorless camera, with electronic viewfinder, with fast, continuous autofocus for video. This will be the best camera. I hope they will be able to do something like this, and to have the adapter available from day one. This will be amazing. I'm really happy with this announcement from Nikon. I was waiting this since long time because I'm a Nikon shooter and I have F-mount lenses, and I will be able to use my Nikon F-mount lenses on the new body. This is great. We need to see other players entering this game, not just Sony. Now for the current lineup of F-mount lenses and for DSLRs, they will keep supporting this, and they already confirmed they will be releasing more cameras, more DSLRs and more F-mount lenses. They can't kill their history in just one day. DSLRs will be available and also mirrorless cameras, so two systems, and with the adapter you will be able to use your F-mount lenses with the new body. This is amazing. So I believe they did what they was supposed to do since long time, and let's see what they will announce officially. And once we have the specifications, I will bring it for you guys, and we will discuss it, we will talk about it, and we will compare it with other mirrorless cameras. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.